Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. What to watch on Binance Coin, Ethereum Classic, Shiba Inu as Jackson Hole Symposium Approaches. Binance Coin Crypto was trading more than 3.74% higher at one point during Thursday's 24-hour trading session, in tandem with Bitcoin, which temporarily jumped 2% alongside a slight increases on the S&P 500. Ethereum Classic and Shiba Inu reacted more bullishly to the upward swing across the markets, trading more than 7% and 13% higher, respectively, on higher than average volume. The three cryptos have had multiple days of decreasing volume, which is often followed by an influx in volume to indicate a consolidation period is coming to an end. The move higher across the board was short-lived, and by pre-time Binance Coin, Ethereum Classic, and Shiba Inu were trading back down within Wednesday's trading range. Crypto trades and investors may have tempted to front-run a possible bullish reaction to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech taking place at the Jackson Hole Symposium at 10 a.m. ET on Friday. The real fireworks likely won't start until the general market begins to reach to Powell's comment. Powell's speech is expecting to center around soaring inflation and trades, and investors will be listening closely for hints at how the Fed plans to continue attempting to tackle rising costs when it meets in September. One direct analyst find me in the BZ Pro long. The Binance Coin card. Binance Coin may be forming an inverted cup and handle pattern on the daily card, with the inverted cup formed between August 2 and August 19 and the inverted handle printing over the days that have followed. If the pattern is recognized, the measured move is about 17%, which suggests the crypto could fall through the $228 mark. During Tuesday's session, Binance attempted to break up from the handle of the pattern but ran into a group of sellers. On a positive note, the jump higher on Thursday confirmed Binance Coin is trading in a new uptrend, with the most recent higher low formed on August 22 at $288 and the higher hike printed a Thursday high of day. The 50-day simple moving average SMA has been trending higher toward the 200 days SMA, which is bullish. The 50-day SMA has been acting as a solid support level, and if the indicator continue to guide Binance Coin higher, the crypto may eventually cross above the 200-day, which would flip the crypto into a bull cycle. Binance Coin has resistance above at $302 and $334 and support below at $200 and $74 and $250. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.